So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Pisces, all that I need to know for the next couple of days. Okay, so let's see one card, what's happening in your life, Pisces, for the month of Jan. What all you can expect for the next couple of days. Okay, right now there may be a lot of confusion going on in your life with Seven of Cups. Okay, you do not know whether you should trust this person. You do not know if you should move forward. You do not know if you should hold back. Some of you might also be dealing with a player who's always been in and out of your life, who must have just come back and is possibly trying to see what you are up to, but you do not know whether you should take him or leave him or her, whatever it is. With Page of Pentacles and Death card, okay, some of you guys are not willing to put in any sort of effort into this connection now. Okay, I feel you guys are wanting to end it on a good note. Okay, you guys are wanting to end a cycle that is no longer serving you. So what else do we see coming up in Pisces life currently? Right now with the Hermit card, you guys could be going through this phase where you guys are not really wanting to take action. Okay, you guys are rather wanting to reflect over the whole situation and come to a solid conclusion, or come or wanting to possibly see where things go. But you guys are not going to want to put in any sort of action, okay, or any sort of effort. You're going to rather wait and see where things go. Okay, one more card for the sign of Pisces. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo who's made you wait for a long time, and you are possibly giving up on them now. With Two of Pentacles, you do not know what you need to do. Okay, you're very indecisive right now, and the right thing to do is possibly take more time to possibly see what's the best thing to do in terms of this connection, in terms of the overall energy of your relationship. Overall energy is the Hanged Man. This connection is at a standstill. You do not know what to expect from this person. Okay. One more card we have here is Knight of Swords. So for some of you, your person will approach you, but you do not know whether you can trust them, or whether you should drop them, or whether you should block them. There is a lot of confusion going on. One more card in terms of your energy. Okay. With Seven of Swords, you no longer are wanting to deal with the past person. I believe you're finally tired now. If your past person has returned, this person could be very guilty of all that they have made you go through. Okay. In the past, this could have been a very sexual relationship, but right now this person is wanting to say where things could go with you. Give me one more card for your person's energy towards you now. Your person's energy towards you. Pisces. Okay. With Queen of Swords, this person certainly wants to talk to you. Okay, they want to communicate. They want to start communication. For some of you, this person could be living at a long distance. This could be a long distance relationship for some of you. But I surely feel with the Four of Swords in the reverse in the past, I definitely see this person wanting to make a move. Okay, with High Priestess, this person is not completely letting you know what they are up to, but yes, communication is definitely coming in for many of you. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you now, in terms of their feelings towards you. In terms of their feelings, they definitely want a new start with you. Okay, fresh new beginnings, passionate new beginnings. Okay, with Four of Wands, this person is looking forward to have something long term with you. In the past, this person very much walked away with the eight of Cups. Right now, in terms of their intentions, spirit, one card for their intentions towards Pisces. So we have a card with Page of Wands. This person is wanting to start small, but definitely aim bigger. That is, they have a plan. They have a plan, and they wanting to come forward and wanting to build on it. Okay, that is start communication and see where things could go with you. On the other hand, you I do not feel are very open to them. Okay, how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you now? With the Devil card, they know that they are extremely attached to you and they cannot let you go. You, on the other hand, with King of Pentacles, could be extremely focused on your finances, and they feel that you are not giving them any sort of attention is because you're entirely focused on your finances and your personal life. Okay, some of you might be a businessman, businesswoman, and your finance is your main priority, and that's fine. With Three of Cups, they may also feel like you are having a good time. You do not need them anymore. Okay, one card for what action are they want to take towards you now. What action are they want to take towards you now? With Two of Wands, they want to keep themselves open. Yes, right now they are at crossroads. They have to take the action. They haven't completely dived into the situation, but yes, they want to come forward. Yes, they want to give you attention. Okay, it's a very much I would say 70% of you guys will get this person's attention. That is your soulmates. In the past, this person could not make a decision. They were all about themselves, extremely selfish, someone you could not trust. Okay, could be Aries or a Taurus individual. With Nine of Wands, I also saw them as someone who was always all about themselves, and they always complained of how much the connection has hurt them and not you but them. Connections hurt both ways. Okay, it can never be that one person is getting hurt and the other person is just fine. Okay, in terms of that one card, what can you possibly expect from this person now? What can you possibly expect from this person now? With Two of Cups, many of you, this person is coming forward for a connection. Okay, they are not coming for some sex or something. They definitely have a plan in mind. With Five of Swords, however, this person could still be that person who triggers you. Okay, so they may say something or do something that kind of wrecks your, like possibly. How would I put it in words? Like possibly messes up with your system. Okay. With King of Cups, but they do want to build on this. They have a genuine offer coming in. Okay, so for now, where is this connection going for now? Pisces. Okay. With King of Wands, you guys will definitely take action. Okay, this connection will definitely have a step moving forward. Some of you might be dealing with two individuals, since there are two court cards here, King of Wands and King of Cups. I feel like you guys do have options. Certainly I didn't mention having options in at the very start. And with Ace of Pentacles, this person, whoever is coming in, is coming with a very solid offer. Okay, and they do have your highest good in mind. That is your they do care that you are a part of their future. With Four of Pentacles, they are not willing to let go of you. What do you have to keep in mind, however, in terms of this connection? With Wheel of Fortune, this connection is destiny made. Okay, no matter how much you try to resist this connection will keep coming forward. And for some of you, this is the person you'll end up getting married. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, yes, it's been a slow journey, but it's something that's going to go long. Okay, with Ten of Cups, I certainly feel for many of you, this might be the person who you end up with. So yes, this has been your reading for the sign of Pisces. If it resonated, do hit the like on both videos. It greatly helps my channel. Thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.